Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to see your Facebook account password by using your mobile phone. Actually sometimes we forget our Facebook account password, right? And later we don't know how to find out that connected Facebook account password by using our phone. So if you face these types of problem, then there is no worry, because today in this video I'm going to show you two kinds of easiest process for seeing or finding your connected Facebook account password easily. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, you'll need to go to Play Store, and after that just update your Facebook application first. So after updating it, just click here open option, and after that let me click here three dot line, then click here settings and privacy, then click here settings option. And this is actually new interface from Meta or from Facebook. Okay, so what you need to do, just let me click here see more in account center, and you couldn't find here password seeing option. Okay, so you can see in here password and security. So if I click here password and security, that time you can see there you can only change your Facebook account password. If I click here, that time you can see it's need current password, and after that you can take a new password. But right now you don't know your current password, right? So let's start the process. How can you actually find out your connected Facebook account password? So let's go for the first process. So the first process will be, you need to go to your Gmail application first. So let me go to my Gmail application in here, and after that you can see in there your profile icon. So let me click on that one. Then you will see maybe lots of Gmail account in your phone, so you need to choose that Gmail account, I mean in where you can find out your Facebook account password. Okay, so right now I need to choose my this Gmail account. So after that let me click here manage your Google account. Then this is new interface from Gmail, so you need to find out one option which is password manager. Okay, so you can find out in there password manager also, but if you don't find, that time you can search here password manager. Just you can see in there password manager. Okay, so both are same. So just click here password manager, this option, and after that you can see there is facebook.com available. So let me click on that one, and it will ask for your phone screen password. So let me give mine. Then you can see there is my Facebook account email address, and there is the password. So you can see your Facebook account password by clicking this one. And if you want to copy it, that time just click here this option, and it will copy it. Okay, and after that you can give your that password section and you can change your password. Okay, so this is the first process. And if you don't find from there your password, let me go to Play Store again, and you need to install one application in your phone which is Google Chrome browser. And after that let me click here open option. Then you need to click here your profile icon, and you can see I have got one email account in here. Okay, so you make sure you have also get your that email account. So after that let me get back from here, just click here three dot line, then click here settings, then scroll down, and you can see in here password and autofill Google password manager. So let me click on that one, and it will redirect it to this option. And you can also see in here facebook.com. so let me click on that one, again give here your password, and you can see there is your Facebook account email address and password also available in there. Okay, so that's it guys. So by this two kinds of easiest process, you can find out your connected Facebook account password by using your mobile phone. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks.